India, a nation of immense potential, is on a rapid path of economic growth, offering vast opportunities for education, training, and job creation. In this dynamic landscape, financial literacy is crucial for both individual prosperity and national progress. Financial literacy encompasses the knowledge, skills, and behaviors needed to make informed financial decisions. It empowers individuals to manage their finances effectively, contributing to financial well-being and the country's overall development. Financial education also supports the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal number 4 on education, which aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Despite India's literacy rate of 74%, only 27% of the population is financially literate. This gap poses a significant challenge as the country strives for progress. How do we equip over 1 billion people with the financial knowledge to make sound decisions? The National Center for Financial Education was established in 2018 by key regulators like RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, and PFRDA to address this challenge. NCFE leads the implementation of the National Strategy for Financial Education, NSFE, a 5-year plan in line with the OECD INFE framework, designed to improve financial literacy across the country, guided by insights from comprehensive surveys. Since its inception, NCFE has reached millions, turning the vision of a financially aware and empowered India into reality.
In today's fast evolving dynamic economic landscape, financial literacy is not just an option, it is an absolute necessity. We are committed to equipping individuals with requisite knowledge, attitude, behavior, and skills to make informed financial decisions, from managing daily budgets to navigating investments, learning the nitty-gritties of banking, securing insurance, and planning for retirement. We have developed specialized educational content to reach diverse audiences, ensuring that financial knowledge is accessible and relevant to all.
NCFE's initiatives reach from urban centers to remote villages, focusing on vulnerable populations, youth, women, and senior citizens, ensuring that financial education reaches all segments of society. Key programs like Financial Education Program for Adults, Financial Education Training Program, Money Smart School Program, and Financial Awareness and Consumer Training, tailored financial education addressing the diverse needs of students, teachers, professionals, and diversified groups. Taking lessons from global best practices, NCFE has been endeavoring to integrate financial literacy contents into the school curriculum, with a view on students for making them financially literate. NCFE follows a 5C approach: content, capacity, community, communication, and collaboration, ensuring a unified and effective strategy. By integrating financial education into everyday learning and decision-making, NCFE fosters a more financially aware and responsible society, building a solid foundation for long-term economic empowerment. NCFE is committed to inclusivity, offering financial education for all, including vulnerable sections like Divyangjans, with specially designed financial education content. NCFE also harnesses technology to enhance outreach. Its multilingual website, available in 13 languages, features a chatbot, Findisha, and the e-learning management system provides interactive modules to expand financial knowledge. The National Financial Literacy Assessment Test assesses financial literacy in students nationwide. The NCFE Mobile App offers accessible, unbiased financial education to all. Behind NCFE's success is a dedicated team working in collaboration with ministries, regulators, and other agencies. Together, they aim to build a financially literate India, empowering citizens to make wise choices, avoid exploitation, and foster a culture of saving, investing, and planning for the future. By promoting financial literacy, we enable citizens to navigate their financial needs more effectively, creating a path towards lasting financial security. Financial literacy is not just a skill, it's a necessity. At NCFE, we are committed to building a financially literate India. Join us in this journey towards financial empowerment and economic prosperity. NCFE, a financially aware and empowered India.